Hello everyone, we are Team 7 and we are representing Twitch. So as we were doing some background and extensive research into Twitch, we found a problem with their program. So we found that Twitch is not providing enough accessible content for Twitch users who are hard of hearing or deaf. And just to have a little background and perspective through statistics, we found that 1 in 8 in the United States, 1 in 8 Americans have hearing problems, and 466 million people in the world have a disabling hearing loss. So our solution is to create a new TV show / podcast on the official Twitch channel run by hard of hearing and deaf gamers to bring recognition to and celebrate these underrepresented players. So we want to create a product that will be a podcast, and it'll be a weekly TV show / podcast hosted and run by hard of hearing and deaf gamers, and we are planning to call it Here and Now. And this will be just a place where there's open conversation and just more inclusivity and all that kind of good stuff on the Twitch channel. So our business model is we want to join the Twitch affiliate program, and then we want to eventually become partners. And so becoming partners with Twitch is very exclusive and hard to get into, but we feel like our product and what we stand for and what we hope to achieve and improve about Twitch will really get us into becoming a Twitch partner, and from there we can integrate a whole new audience into Twitch and just actually expand their business model. So our adoption strategy is step 1, we hope to find relevant professionals, and create deals with them for their expertise. So before we start implementing this podcast and everything, we want to really be well informed and know what we're talking about and deal with people who are actually hard of hearing and deaf, who really know the experience of what it's like. And our step 2 is to find and recruit popular / relevant streamers. And so we feel like they're the best people to run our beta test because they have the most subscribers, users, people watching their channels every day. So it'd just be good to see, does the audience like this? Like, how are they responding and all of that good stuff. So step 3, we want to have beta streamers become the face of the project and continue to recruit content recruiters. And so then we want these beta streamers to start encouraging, incentivizing their streamers to learn ASL, or start having hard of hearing deaf resources on their own streams, or by offering a special hard of hearing / deaf supporter badge for their stream. Just kind of incentivize people to start kind of buying into it and understanding why it's important. And so that kind of goes on to our next step, where we want to produce official episodes, and we want to use already established on-air team to make the main cast of the show until we can recruit more relevant gamers. And we want this podcast to first definitely start off on the Twitch's talk shows and podcast channel that's on their official page. So we feel like that has the most users and subscribers viewing it every day. And then our final step is analyze audience feedback and just kind of see how people are responding, and if it's successful, Twitch can broaden the show to highlight other gaming minorities. And we just want to highlight this is the ASL symbol for love, and it actually has become a universal symbol for love too.
Currently, Google and Microsoft own YouTube Gaming and Mixer. So YouTube Gaming offers strong on-demand options, live videos, and familiarity. Mixer, on the other hand, has creative interactivity features, integrated PC and Xbox streaming, and it has close to almost no lag time. However, we believe our product would be more advantageous and more beneficial, pleasing, just because of the fact that we have a huge live streaming competitive advantage, and also our project is mainly for an ethical reason, to engage a community that is underrepresented as of now. So this project will have an estimated cost of $95,000 split between the initial, middle, and final stages. For the studio, Twitch already has many studios available, so those costs will be kept minimal. However, for the hosts, we would start off with Twitch's team members, but down the road, in the middle and final stages, we'd like to add more money to implement celebrity hosts and other added effects. Also down the line, our marketing team would like to gradually start increasing the budget so that they can reach a higher audience as the project develops. So currently, how we get our revenue is basically in our base year, we'd have 25,000 subscribers, which is a fair amount compared to Twitch's huge audience. And there are 3 tiers. The first tier being the basic, starting at $5, then $10, then the highest being $25. With the user, our group, we'd be able to add different features or bonuses to different tiers based on what we like to implement onto the show. So our projections for the next 4 years, year 1, as you can see, we start off with 25,000 subscribers, and year 2 we grow by 10% to a fair amount of 27.5, and year 4 we end off with 32.5 thousand. And the colors on the graph represent different tiers and packages that subscribers can buy, and on average, we'd be making about $1 million to $3.5 million a year from these subscriptions alone. And so for our team, we need a qualified manager to coordinate between multiple departments and collaborate with other management. But we also need to hire passionate members who are familiar with the deaf and hard of hearing community so that they can bring awareness and expand the reach of the community themselves. And in the end, Twitch Studios for diversity and inclusion team should be able to draw from the deep pool of streamers available on their site for expertise on accessibility and hard of hearing needs for the community. Thank you. Are there any questions?